Hello viewers and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm back at Medlow Bath for Medlow Bath part number 3. Now departing on platform number 2 for a Mount Victoria service. We have front forecast V25 and a rear forecast V23 for a Mount Victoria service, stopping next at Blackheath and following by Mount Victoria. Anyway viewers, Medlow Bath still has the blue and white station signs. These signs, well, it could be a matter of time before these signs will be replaced by the orange Sydney Trains or New South Wales Trainlink station signage. Anyway viewers, we have a 4-car marker on platform 2 at Medlow Bath. Just gonna walk up this way here. The 6-car marker has been painted over, so no more 6-car markers. And well, there's another 4-car marker that's no longer in use, and just up here is your 8-car V-set marker. Of course, in order to alight at Medlow Bath, you have to alight from the rear 7 cars. We have a Sydney Terminal service arriving on platform number 1. Should be stopping next at Katoomba, then all stations to Penrith, followed by Blacktown, Parramatta, Strathfield and Central. V28 is set. And it's overshot. Anyway viewers, we'll see, we'll try to reverse it back into the platform. And overshot the 4-car marker and went overshot the platform as well, cause it's a bit misty. Anyway, V28 was unable to reverse back into the platform. Anyway, V28 should be stopping at Katoomba, then followed by Lure, Wentworth Falls, Bullaborough, Lawson, then all stations to Penrith, followed by Blacktown, Parramatta, Strathfield and Central. V28 is set. And we have a Mount Victoria service approaching platform number 2. Should be stopping after Medlow Bath at Blackheath and followed by Mount Victoria. 4 cars only. Parts of the upper Low Blue Mountains are covered in mist today. And V16 is the set. Anyway, first when V28 overshot platform number 1 a little earlier, and the front car, the rear part of the front car was up to that platform edge about here, and the remainder of a front car overshot the platform and went past the signal, which is 71.8. Has just tripped to red a little earlier. That's the real reason why V28 wasn't able to reverse back into the platform. We have a Mount Victoria service approaching platform number 2. It's an 8-car V set, and the front car will overshot the platform due to it being short. She'll be stopping next at Blackheath and followed by Mount Victoria. The front half is V40. V40 and friend now departing platform number 2 for a Mount Victoria service. V40 and friend should be stopping next at Blackheath and followed by Mount Victoria. Front half is V40. V40 entered service in 1989. Front half V40. And the rear 4 cars. Rear 4 cars, V3. And we should have the Hydro Express arriving on platform number 2. GL110, terrific, is leading loco. GL110 is now departing platform number 2. Empty service to Lithgow, where GL110 will change ends. And we have a central service approaching platform number 1. Stopping next at Katoomba. Good old V27 is the set. Anyway, viewers, time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell on the bottom right hand corner of the screen right next to the subscribe tab. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.